So guys, my car got broken into. Shit is thick. Like, I got cheeks for fucking days. Super cool, guys.
My job today is to make Alyssa laugh.
Good morning, guys. It is Vlogmas day. Why can I never remember? So he's 16? Jesus Christ, I can't believe I've done this long. Good morning. Thursday. Oh, this bed is just so comfy. I want to keep sleeping. Oh, I just love sleep lately. Lola's crying because she wants breakfast. I'm coming. I'm coming. Coming. She's looking for stuff to knock over. I'm coming. Are you telling them? She's like, can you stop talking to your camera and feed me? Anyways. Oh. I can't stop yawning, but positive affirmations. I love you. I'm so proud of you. You're incredible. You're strong. You're capable. You're enough and you matter. Don't ever forget it. Anyways, I'm gonna get up and see what. I really can't stop yawning. See what we have to do today. I think I'm gonna go help Mickey with to run some errands. I don't know. They asked me to help them, and then also I think they wanted to come work out, so I'm gonna figure that out, but that's that. I'm gonna go feed my cat now before she kills me. Coming! So I just tried to go into the library room that I've showed you on my vlog before. It's called the flex space, but it's that cute cozy room with the bookshelf and whatever. It's literally right down the hall from me, and I was gonna go there to journal, but I think it only opens when technically the complex opens, so when the leasing office people get here, which is probably 8 or 9, probably 9, I don't know, but it's only 7:45, so I'm like, damn, I can't do that in the morning because obviously I like to wake up early and journal, so I can't do that. So I guess I'm just gonna do it in here. It's just I don't feel motivated to journal in here yet because I don't have a cozy space or couch to just hang out on. But I have my greens, and I think I'm just gonna put on some Frank Sinatra or John Mayer and sit and journal because I need to. So that's it right now. I tried, and then I'm gonna edit my vlog and then see where the day takes us. guys, so I just got dressed for the gym, but like, this isn't like, you can't even tell in the mirror, but like, my ass is so big for no reason. Like, the thing is, I say it as like, I'm like a pick-me. No, I don't want this big of an ass. I don't want it because my butt gives me gender dysphoria because half the pants that I want to wear, I can't wear because my ass is big. And I know my last name is Butt and I'm like, haha, playing the part. It's so cute and fun. No, it's not. Like, I genuinely don't want this big of an ass. I don't even work out my butt and I don't go that hard on my legs because I just like don't want my butt to grow. Anyways, you can't even see in the mirror really, but like, shit is thick. Like, I got cheeks for fucking days. I don't even have a cute girl to like grab my cheeks. Shit. Anyways, that's that. I'm gonna go. My camera cut off. I don't know if I got this, but I'm gonna say it anyways. Anyways, I'm gonna go pick up Mickey. And I think my cat's in here. You scared me. I love you. Okay. See ya. Super cool, guys. Super fucking great.
If it's just that, then that's, yeah. There's some fucking dick who walked by your car and was like, I want a VR, I'm gonna steal it, you know?
So fucking shitty, dude. So, guys, my car got broken into. And I'll talk more about it in a second, but that's the update. I dropped my camera off my ring light the other day too, so that's just something I need to also do. Super great.
When Alyssa and I were planning to hang out together today to run errands, we were like, oh my god, this is perfect because it's gonna be such good vlog content. And then Alyssa said, my car is broken into. So all day today, we have been trying to get this window covered. And we haven't done any of the things that we planned on doing.
Yeah, so my car got broken into. I can talk more about it eventually, but I don't even fucking know, guys.
We're at least going to IKEA now. That's something we're gonna do, and tomorrow they'll get their thing fixed. But what a turn of events. It's okay.
I just don't even have anything else to say. Right? Like, I literally don't even know what to say. This is insane.
We're like, let's make good vlog content. Boom. Oh, what the heck? Oh.
Yeah, that's broken too, so super great. My whole life is fucking broken.
We're going to IKEA, and maybe I'll get another hot dog for you guys. Or maybe I'll try the meatball sundae.
You should.
My job today is to make Alyssa laugh.
Guys,
Okay.
I need some better luck in my life. Oh look, my old apartment. Fucking Christ. Is this for real?
Didn't realize we were coming over here.
Oh my god. Fuck. Fuck.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go. I've been crying all day. What's up, guys? This vlog has turned to shit. I don't even know where to begin. Obviously, by the title of this video, you guys know that my car got broken into. It's been a rough day, honestly. Like, I'm not gonna sugarcoat that and act like I'm fine because I'm not. I've been crying all day, so I really just don't want to cry right now, but everything from this morning was great. I was on FaceTime with Sophia this morning, and that's like another thing I just want to like point out and just say really quick. all this TikTok drama that's been going on is stupid. Me and Sophia are friends. You guys don't need to read into any of our TikToks because they're not about each other. We talk like literally almost every single day. We're friends. So we can just like squash that. That'd be great because I got a lot of other shit to worry about than people in my comments trying to get the tea when there's no tea. So there's that. But anyways, I was on FaceTime with her and she was like, oh, is there anything you don't like about your new apartment? And I was like, no, like it's great. Like obviously besides like it doesn't feel like homey right now because I don't have any furniture and like I'm just like I feel weird still. And so anyways, then we hung up. I was gonna go help Mickey with, you know, errands because we have a dinner party tomorrow and then, you know, other stuff this weekend. So I was gonna go help them. As I said this morning in the beginning of the vlog, I'm pretty sure. I go out to my car and I close the door and I heard like glass and then I like felt a breeze and I looked behind me and my window is smashed. And I was like shocked at first. I was like, no fucking way. Like no fucking way. No fucking way. And so, you know, I called my mom and then I went to like the leasing office and tried to have everything figured out. And then Mickey Ubered to me because obviously they don't drive. So they Ubered to me and they were like my backbone through all of this today. Like I truly don't think you guys understand how much I fucking love Mickey as my best friend. Like holy shit. Like they are my fucking rock through everything. Sorry. I just like, I'm just really thankful for them. Because it's scary to be alone and again, I've never lived alone and this is just like it being a whole new chapter for me and everything. It's just like it's just a lot. And you know, like I hate more than anything being that person and like feeling sorry for myself. Like I don't want to feel sorry for myself because I know it's life and shit happens and you know, that's like shit happens and it's life and whatever, but it's hard when you feel like you just can't catch a break and like so many things just like keep happening. And again, like not being in a place, sorry, my hair's fucking pissing me off. Not being in a place where you feel like home yet, and then like your car gets broken into. It's like it just feels really violating and it's scary and I'm fucking scared and I just have this like really uneasy feeling and like yeah. So anyways, me and Mickey were just like, you know, Mickey was helping me like figure out all these like things out at once today because I was just so overwhelmed with how many people I had to call and just like get things figured out and like get my window fixed and whatever. And luckily at the end of the day I'm safe and I know that, but I just don't like feel that. But you know, like I'm physically okay and that's all that matters. And I'm getting my window fixed tomorrow, so hopefully that all goes well because I just like I can't and don't want to deal with anything else bad happening. Like I was supposed to go to LA tomorrow to get digitals and go to Studs to get like my piercing changed. I was like really excited to like go have like a fun little morning for myself and then go to the dinner party, but obviously I have to stay now and go get this fixed. But it's okay. Like again, I know it's life and I know shit happens and like life fucking sucks sometimes, but it's like I just want like a break, you know, like I just need like a fucking break for a minute. And I just clearly had to sit down and tell you guys all of this, because or else this vlog wouldn't really make sense. But I like haven't eaten today because I've just been so overwhelmed and like trying to wrap my head around the fact that this happened, and it's just scary. But ended up going to IKEA to help Mickey get some things, and then when I was driving back, the leasing office called and they did say that they got footage of who did it and like a pretty clear picture of the person's face, which is good. And I filed a police report, and so I just have to wait for them to send me like my case number, because it's pending right now, so then they can go in and upload footage that they have from the garage and whatnot. So I'm just exhausted, I'm tired, I'm drained. I just feel like I have shitty luck with cars, or maybe it's like Volkswagen, I don't know. Like I got into an accident almost a year ago, back in February, like it's gonna be a year soon, and now my car gets broken into, my windows smashed, and it's just like, I just like, I don't even like know what to say like anymore besides like, fuck, sucks, you know. But I know everything's gonna be okay, and I know things are shitty sometimes, and I know, and I know it's life, and I know it sucks. I just like, I don't know. I don't want to feel sorry for myself and like be a pick me and feel bad for me, because it's just like, I hate that shit. But like it's hard when you're in it and you feel like everything is just going wrong. You just feel like, why me? Like why? Why? And yeah, so that's pretty much my day, and I'm just a little like on edge, and it's just like, it's shitty because like I'm going home next week, and like that's great, like I'll have like, you know, a break and to go home and stuff. But it's like, why do like all shitty things happen around like the holidays? Like, I don't know. Anyways, guys, I know things will start to get better. I just, oh, and if I didn't mention, but they did, like, they stole a VR headset from my car. So they did steal something. So I'm gonna try to get money for that or whatnot, but yeah. Well, the lesson here is to never, ever, 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 ever leave anything in your car. I don't even care if it's a fucking receipt or a piece of paper. Don't leave anything in your car. Doesn't even matter where you are. And I think the most like violating thing for me was like, it wasn't just like in a parking lot somewhere. Like it was at my own home, and I just moved in. I don't even think I've been here for like 2 weeks, and it's just like, on top of like a move, on top of like living alone for the first time, on top of it not feeling homey and not having furniture yet, and just getting used to that, and like trying to find a new routine, and trying to just do all these things, and then you go out to your car and it's just like, it feels it's personal, it feels, just feels really gross, and I don't know, it's not fun. But anyways, I'm honestly just gonna end the vlog right here, and I'm probably just gonna edit it tonight and just because I usually like edit my videos in the morning and upload, but I think I'm just gonna edit it tonight and have it ready for tomorrow, so that way tomorrow morning I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna go to the gym and just hopefully have a better day. Yeah, it's gonna be okay, but it's just a really shitty day. So anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you for the love and support. I posted something on my story and I, you know, obviously read you guys' comments, so thank you. I appreciate all of you that reached out. I am okay physically. Mentally, I'm a little not so good. I'm shaken up, but I'll be okay. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. It will be a better day tomorrow. It will be a better day. So, I love you, and I'll give you a forehead kiss right now since I am ending it here.